Now, I'm Zach. I'm the No Money Travel Guy, and I'm here to show you ways that I personally save money when planning a vacation and how I can always seem to find the best hotel stays. Now, if you're looking to save a little bit of money on vacation, there are some apps that will help you do this, and I'm going to walk you through the apps that I use. That way you can save your own money there. Now, if you guys are ready, I'm going to share with you my favorite apps that I use. So let's take a roll through the App Store. All right, so the first app that I'm going to recommend to you guys is Hotels.com. You could download this from the App Store, or you can simply just go to their website. Again, it's Hotels.com. And the number one reason why I like this one is for their rewards program. So for their rewards program, for every 10 nights that you stay, you'll earn one free night, which is equivalent to the average price that you paid for your 10 nights. So let's say you pay $200 for your 10 nights on average, then you will get a $200 credit towards a future stay. So you don't have to do all of the 10 nights in one trip. So you take 2 nights on this one, 3 nights over here, you're halfway there, that's 5 nights. And you just keep accumulating, and then every time you get to 10, you get your one free night. And you can actually just keep accumulating that as well. Just make sure you pay attention to when it does expire, because they do have those, but I believe as long as you keep accumulating more nights, then you should be good to go. And also cashing them in is super easy. Hotels.com is one that I personally use. I would recommend it to anyone, especially for the rewards. It's easy to use. It's very simple. You can pay through the app, or you can even pay at the hotel. You just have to be careful with paying at the hotel because they are going to use the local currency. So depending on where you're coming from or going to, it could be a little bit more or less depending on where you're at. So Hotels.com is my first recommendation for the apps. Let's see what we got up next. The next app I want to recommend to you guys is the Kayak app. Now this one, again, you can download through the App Store, or you can go onto their website at kayak.com and start searching for flight deals through there. Now I use Kayak quite frequently when I'm searching for flights and where I want to go or what days I want to go. And it really does give you a whole lot of options, especially if you have a little bit of flexibility or you're not sure where to go. So one of the great things about Kayak is you can search multiple destinations, both where you're starting and where you want to go to. You can select up to 3 different starting destinations. So if you're like me and live near a couple of different airports that are international, you can put all 3 of those in there. And then you could also add in additional destinations. You can go up to 3 as well. So it'll give you even multiple flight paths for that. It'll cross-reference all of that to give you the best deals. It also gives you purchase options. It gives you a ton of those. You don't necessarily have to book through Kayak. It'll also give you the prices for those flight paths through like Travelocity or Trivago. It'll give you all of those different options. It's got a ton of different other sites on there. And all you have to do is just search for those flights, and then you can click on whatever rewards program you have or whatever you feel most comfortable booking through. But it gives you all of those options too. So again, more options, better chance of a better deal. And the Kayak app is one that I highly recommend for anyone, especially if you're just looking to start your travel adventure and have many places that you want to go to. You can see, okay, well, this one is cheap right now, so maybe we do that one first. The last app I want to share with you guys is the Southwest Airlines app. Now this one, again, you could download through the App Store or go to their website at southwest.com. And for those of you not familiar with Southwest Airlines, this is a major domestic airline here in the United States, although they do have some international destinations in the Caribbean, but they're primarily here in the United States. So if you guys are traveling in to the United States from a different country or from outside the region, then you guys can certainly still book through the Southwest app. Now, the best part about the rental car deals is the rates. They always seem to give you the cheapest rates from all of the searches that I've done, even going through, Kayak or Travelocity or actually through the rental agency itself. Southwest still gives you the best deals. And so I find it very helpful. A lot of people don't know that you can book a rental car through an airline, but they're pretty much a one-stop shop nowadays. You could do an entire vacation through an airline if you wanted. Wouldn't recommend it because they probably won't give you the best deals on all the different things you want, but at least for the rental cars, Southwest Airlines seems to have the best deals. And the good part is you can still book through whatever is your preferred travel rental car agency. So they still have Hertz and Budget, they do Fox, they do Enterprise, they do pretty much anything that's out there here in the United States that they'll book through. And the nice part about that is you'll get the Southwest points added to your account. So it's kind of like a little bonus there as well. So if you're looking for rental cars, Southwest Airlines, I would highly recommend at least checking them out to see what the prices are. And I'm pretty sure you'll find a good deal. So those are the three apps that I use most when doing my searches for hotels or flight deals or even rental cars. If you guys are having trouble with some of your searches, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get back with you some helpful information, or maybe I can even do a search with you to help you along the way. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel so I can keep bringing you more information, better ways to travel, and to save a little bit of money during that journey. Now, if you guys are on Instagram, you can also follow me there at nomoneytravelguy. I always post different places that I've been, different activities, and again, hopefully I can provide some inspiration there for you guys as well. If you guys are on Facebook, you can go ahead and like the page, No Money Travel Guy. I'm on there as well. I'll be sharing different articles related to travel, different ways that you can save money, or maybe some new places that you guys can go. Again, I'm Zach. I'm the No Money Travel Guy. Thanks for stopping by, and safe journeys.